everybody, and gather round, because I've got a story for you guys that's juicier than your grandma's Thanksgiving turkey. So there I was, minding my own business, when I stumbled upon a little something that might just turn our world upside down. Today, we're talking GPT-4, the large language model that's got everyone talking and sweating. You thought GPT-3 was a game changer? Hold on to your hats, because this one's about to make it rain with a whopping $100 million in research funding behind it. This AI revolution isn't just about the big bucks, though. Oh no, it's about to change the way we work, play, and maybe even the way we order pizza on a Friday night. So what does this mean for you, me, and our dear old Aunt Sally? Are our jobs safe, or are we about to be replaced by an AI overlord? Well, there's only one way to find out. Join me as we take a deeper dive into GPT-4. Alrighty, my YouTube adventurers, grab your magnifying glasses and put on your detective hats as we explore more about the potential impact of this AI phenomenon on our everyday lives. Remember, we're not just talking about a fancy AI, we're talking about the future of work, the way we communicate, and the balance between humans and technology. So just picture a group of dedicated researchers huddled together in a dimly lit room, poring over mountains of data to uncover the truth about GPT-4's potential impact on the world of work. Their findings? Well, in a nutshell, GPT-4 is a major game changer poised to shake up the workforce in ways we've never seen before. But hey, don't worry, it's not all doom and gloom. In fact, these revelations could open up exciting new possibilities for the way we live, the way we work, and the way we interact with our technology. But is it really here to help, or is it here to take over? What if, instead of collaborating with humans, GPT-4 has plans to replace us altogether? Dun dun dun! So just picture GPT-4 helping with customer service, researching legal documents, diagnosing illnesses, designing websites, and even composing music. The possibilities are endless. But as we said before, not all professions are equally exposed to the AI revolution. Those in the fields of science, critical thinking, and hands-on skills might be better positioned to weather the GPT-4 storm. After all, it's hard to imagine an AI performing surgery or fixing a leaky faucet, right? Alright, so in a previous video, we established that a staggering 80% of the US workforce could have at least 10% of their work affected by GPT-4. But let's break it down even further. What does this really mean for workers across different industries and job titles? Picture a busy office, a bustling factory, or a trendy coffee shop. GPT-4 could be there, helping with tasks like drafting emails, designing products, or even brewing up that perfect cappuccino. It's an AI invasion and no one's safe! Well, almost no one. But seriously, with such a significant chunk of the workforce potentially affected by GPT-4, it's essential to consider what this means for the future of work. Will we see a rise in collaboration between humans and AI? Or will we have to fight to protect our jobs from the onslaught of ever-evolving technology? Whatever the outcome, one thing's for sure. The world of work is about to get a whole lot more interesting. EMP grenades sold separately. So picture a fancy red carpet event with high-income professionals from all walks of life strutting their stuff. But wait, who's that crashing the party in their fancy titanium exosuit? That's right, it's GPT-4, here to mingle with the elite and potentially shake up their professional lives. That's right, folks, higher income jobs might face even more exposure to GPT-4's powerful AI capabilities. So who's on the list of the potentially affected? Well, get ready for a star-studded lineup that reads like a who's who of the professional world. So on our list, we've got interpreters, translators, poets, and lyricists belting out their concerns. We've got creative writers and public relations specialists crafting compelling narratives. We got mathematicians, tax preparers, and blockchain engineers crunching numbers like nobody's business. And let's not forget the accountants, auditors, journalists, and programmers who are all keeping a watchful eye on our new little AI friend here. With GPT-4 swooping in to potentially assist or even take over some tasks, the high-income professionals might be wondering if their hard-earned positions are at risk. Will they be rolling out the welcome mat for GPT-4, or will they be locking horns with the bullish AI in a battle to protect their turf? One thing's for sure, the tides are changing, and the potential impact of GPT-4 on high-income jobs is a hot topic that has everyone talking. As we've established, individuals with higher degrees might be more exposed to GPT-4, but let's dissect this even further. What does this mean for different fields of study and the diverse range of skills people acquire throughout their education? Could it be that those studying humanities or social sciences are more likely to embrace GPT-4 as a helpful companion, while those in STEM fields remain skeptical? Or perhaps it's the other way around. The possibilities are endless, and the debate rages on hotter than a Rathalos versus Rathian showdown. So imagine a world where your degree comes with a GPT-4 exposure rating, letting you know just how much you might need to watch your back when it comes to AI's impact on your chosen field. From English majors to engineering wizards, everyone's scrambling to figure out where they stand in this brave new world. But just like Aladdin, we might have to make some genie-us moves to keep our career safe in the future. The ever-evolving relationship between education and GPT-4 is a tantalizing enigma that has students, professionals, and educators alike scratching their heads. As we continue to grapple with the complexities of AI and its potential impact on the world of work, one thing's for sure. The GPT-4 adventure is just getting started, and there's no telling what exciting twists and turns await us along the way. But hold up a second, all my YouTube comrades. Before we dive headfirst into the world of GPT-4, let's make sure we stay connected on this thrilling journey together. So, if you're enjoying this video and want to stay up to date on all things AI, GPT-4, and the future of work, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell like you just had some awesome food at Long John Silver's. So let's talk about programming and writing skills. Turns out they're positively associated with GPT-4. That's right, if you're a coding whiz or a wordsmith extraordinaire, GPT-4 might be your new best friend, helping you tackle tasks with ease and precision like never before. I know what you're thinking, but what about those who rely heavily on science and critical thinking skills? Well, my friends, their relationship with GPT-4 is a bit more complicated. These skill sets show a negative correlation with GPT-4 exposure, meaning they might be less affected by our AI buddy's influence. It's a lot like a fascinating game of skill set chess, where GPT-4 is strategically positioning itself to impact some skills more than others. And while some professionals might welcome GPT-4 with open arms, others might be warily watching from the sidelines, wondering what this AI game changer has in store for them and if they should start prepping their analog-only doomsday bunkers. As we continue to explore the complex interplay between GPT-4 and the diverse array of skills that make up the workforce, one thing's for sure. The lines between human and AI capabilities are blurring, and the future of work is set to be a wild, unpredictable ride. Alright, so now it's time to put on your thinking caps because we've come a long way, and now we'll dive into how companies and workers can adapt and thrive in this brave new world of AI. So picture a sleek, cutting-edge workplace where humans and AI, like GPT-4, are working in perfect harmony, boosting efficiency and productivity to unprecedented levels. But how can companies and workers achieve this utopian vision safely? First things first, it's essential to embrace the potential benefits of GPT-4. Just because a task has a high exposure percentage doesn't mean it's fully automatable by GPT-4. Instead, think of GPT-4 as a helping hand, saving workers valuable time and effort on specific tasks while allowing them to focus on higher level, more strategic work. Education level and income are also key factors in exposure to GPT-4, but the silver lining is that people who can adapt and leverage GPT-4 to their advantage may find themselves ahead of the curve in this ever-evolving landscape. Companies and workers who can successfully integrate GPT-4 into their daily routines, upskill to stay relevant, and find innovative ways to work alongside this AI powerhouse are more likely to emerge as winners in the race to stay ahead of the world of work. Alright, my YouTube squaddies, we have finally reached the conclusion of our GPT-4 journey. This one has been a little bit of a wild ride. So GPT-4 could save workers in certain areas a significant amount of time doing their tasks. But remember that our AI buddy is here to lend a helping hand, making work more efficient and freeing up valuable time for more strategic pursuits. So before you start panicking about GPT-4 stealing your job, remember, just because a task has a high exposure percentage doesn't mean it's fully automatable by GPT-4. So breathe a sigh of relief because our AI pal is here to assist, not replace, for now. And finally, the moment of truth. Companies and workers who can take advantage of GPT-4 may have a leg up in the future. By embracing this AI game changer, you can find yourself riding the wave of innovation and staying ahead of the competition. So there you have it, my YouTube friends. And while our GPT-4 expedition has come to an end, the future of work is just beginning. Keep your eyes peeled, your minds open, and your skills sharp, because the world of AI is an exciting, ever-evolving landscape, and we'll be right here exploring it with you every step of the way.